The MRI is in for DeMarcus Cousins, and unfortunately he has a torn quad. We knew the injury was going to be bad because it was a non-contact injury. He fell down all on his own, just completely collapsed on the fast break. Right now there's no confirmation how long he's going to be out, but everybody's estimating that he's done for the playoffs. The Warriors are going to wait about 2 weeks to see how he responds to the rehab before they determine how long he's going to be out for. But normally when you tear something, you're not coming back that soon. Now this is sad because Cousins was just coming off a tough injury, and the reason he went to the Warriors is because he wanted to rehab and then get ready for free agency. But now with another injury, this is going to put doubt in the minds of all the teams because they don't know if they should pay him big money. They don't know if he's injury prone. You have to remember that centers, it's tougher on their bodies when they start getting knee injuries and quad and hams and anything with the legs. And there was already hesitation from NBA teams to sign him with that other injury. Now that he's got another one, same leg. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And also, do you believe that the Clippers can actually eliminate the Warriors in the first round after watching Game 2? Was it a fluke? Or are they a serious threat to the defending champs?
Oh my gosh.
He's got that JR2. He's got that pink diamond JR2. Oh, he's reaching. He's reaching again. Oh, he's reaching. I gotta be teaching. Give that guy a map. Where are you?